Look at her eyes, guys. See, no matter how much she's trying to pretend like she's strong, she's terrified right now.
I jumped out of a moving car. Can't work out. They're weak, and I have to be careful how I walk because I might trip because I can't pick her up.
Oh.
Or she likes to play rough sometimes. My mom took me to a chiropractor, but he tried to adjust me, and just when he twisted my leg, I was like, eh. I started crying and get off me, get off me.
He didn't take x-rays back then, did he?
No.
Yeah. And so she has a grade 2 spondylo. So the worst thing you could do is actually adjust somebody's back.
My armpits are sweating.
You can really feel the inflammation in her neck right there.